Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to log out Amazon account from all device. So in this video I'm going to give you a step-to-step guide on how to log out your Amazon account from all device, including the Amazon Prime Video. So let's get started. So in this video I'm going to walk you through the three different methods at which you can log out from all device. So let's get started. So on the first method, which is using the Amazon website, so go to the Amazon website, then log in your account, then from there you can access your account. So to do that, hover to the account and list at the top right corner and click account. And after that, you have to scroll down to the digital content and device section and click on manage content and device. Then after that, click on the device tab to see all device links to your account. Then click on each device and select the register to log out from all device. Then on the Amazon Prime Video, go to the Amazon Prime Video website, which is www.primevideo.com. Then log into your account. Then from there, click on your profile icon at the top right corner and select account and settings. Then from there, go to your device tab. Then you will see the list of registered device. Click the register next to each device to the logout. Then after that, it will be logout. Then on the third method, you can simply use that. You can also simply do that also on the Amazon mobile app. So open the Amazon mobile app, then log in. If not logged in, then from there tap on the menu, which is the three lines icon. Then scroll down and select account. Then after that, tap on manage content and device. Then from there, tap on device to see all linked device, then to register to log out. And that's a simple guide on how to log out Amazon account from all device. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more.